Hi guys, in this video I'm going to talk about how we can create and call a function, okay, on JavaScript. Before, I need to talk about my code, okay. I'm using the same algorithm, the same code of the last video, okay. I create here a constant, the full value with 10, and I with the full value, I'm create a little operation, okay, using the full value, using this variable, instead final result variable. And I add here a description, okay, using concatenate between variable with strings within description result, okay, and I'm adding here your result on console log of browser, okay, here. Before I need to talk about live server. I'm using this extension, okay, live server, because I prefer with click Ctrl S, save automatically, okay, then click here on our browser every time, okay. Now, let's start. What is function? Function is a block of code that performs a specific task and that we can use wherever we need it. I'm talking about it because, for example, in this code, to print this result, this description result and your value, we need to type write, for example, console log every time, for example, to have the same result. Sometimes on our code, I need copy and paste here. Okay, paste here. Look that. It's not good because we have all the way to do this, creating a function. Okay, but how we can create a function to do this? First, we need to add a keyword about function. It's a function. Okay, perfect. Next, we need to add a name about this function, and we can use any names, for example. And for this description, I can use result no operation result operation, yeah, result operation, for example, okay, not big important. Next, we need to add a parenthesis, but because why we need add a parenthesis here, okay? The parentheses are part of the mandatory syntax to create a function in JavaScript, showing that we are declaring a function and we can optionally add parameters. Okay, it's important. Next, we need to add a key, okay, and within key or curly braces, I don't know what the correct word, key or curly braces, okay, we can add console logs, our console logs here, okay, perfect. Save that. Look the problem. We cannot see the consoles here, the result here, because we just create a function. We not call him. To call a function, we need add your name here, result operation, with parentheses. It's important, okay? We save that. Perfect. Now we can see the result, description result and final result variables, okay? And to add the same values all the times on our code, we only copy this and paste here. Look that, save, perfect. It's better than add every time console log on our code, okay? But we can make it using other way, with other way. And other way is add parameters and arguments to our function, okay? But what's parameters? Parameters are variables inside the function that receive values when the function is scaled. It's important. So to add a parameter here, we need to understand that we need instead these variables to parameters. For example, how we have two variables, we need add here two parameters. For example, one parameter for result and other for description, for example, okay? And we need to add here a result and description. Save that, look the problem, and undefine it. Because we not undefined these parameters. Okay, look that the order is not important. Okay, first I add here the result, next description result. The order importance only on our body of the function. Okay, it's important. Now I add parameters. Okay, but we need add arguments, because arguments are the values that we pass these parameters when calling the function. It's important, okay? So to call correctly the function, how we add parameters, we need to add arguments here when I call the function. For example, in this case, we need add our variables how arguments here, okay? Final result here and description result here, okay? It's really important. So in this case, you need to understand that final result are our argument, and we have these parameters to in this case, final result is result, and we are printing here result because now result is final result. The same case of description result. Description result is our description parameter, okay, because description result is our argument, and we are these values that we pass these parameters, okay, when we call the function. So description result is our description, and we are console log here description, okay? We save that. Oh, sorry. We save the page. Perfect. Okay, perfect. Yeah, is it, guys? That's it, folks. If you like the content, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Until next time.